So it's always a good idea to use stitch markers. What they do is they go through the loop and they hold your thread and stop it from unraveling. When I get to a point where I need to take a little break, instead of leaving my yarn on my hook like this, there's a potential of it falling off. So I take my previous stitch marker and all I do is I insert it into this loop, close it up, tighten it, and now it's not going anywhere. When the color is below a couple of rows, then you can give a nice long tail and cut the bobbin off and use it in a different place.